Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk through how to submit a quote after checking out of a work order that requires additional work beyond the original scope. To begin, open the work order where you're already checked in and ready to complete your current work. When you're finished, proceed with checkout. During the checkout process, enter a description of the work that was completed. Select the appropriate resolution and set the checkout status to Need to Quote. Once the checkout is complete, the work order will display the Need to Quote status. From there, prepare your proposal with the additional work that needs to be completed. Then click Submit a Quote. Fill out all necessary information, and then don't forget to attach the PDF file. Once you click Submit, your quote will be reviewed. This workflow ensures that any work order outside the original scope is properly documented and submitted for approval before additional repairs begin.